How do you draw and record your voice on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Essentially, what you need to do is to get to the control center of your iPad. You need to do it by swiping down from the top right corner. And I can already see the screen recording toggle right there, but if you do not see it, tap on the plus at the top of the page, then click on Add a Control and look up the screen recording. So you just want to add it to the control center. But once we have it in here, we don't just tap on it, but instead we have to hold down and more options are going to appear. So like the location of the recording can be chosen, but also at the bottom we have the microphone icon. So you can tap on it as well, and it will allow you to record your screen and talk over it, right? So it's going to capture your voice and also what you're drawing on the iPad, right? So you can now open up the Notes app or wherever you perform your sketches or drawings or whatever it is, and it will all be captured as well as your voice. So you can use your iPad's microphone, literally just speak to your iPad, and it will all be captured together in one file. To stop it, make sure you tap on the button at the top, confirm the stop, and then the video will be saved in your gallery alongside all of the other videos. So that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later.